Hi guys, Melissa at Columbia Gorge Honda, and today I want to talk a little bit about the benefits and features of Honda's smart key entry system. I want to point out on the key fob you have auto start. Some of the benefits of having auto start on this Honda is that if you start the car and then the temperature outside is below 42 degrees, it will kick on your defrost. If it is above 70 degrees, it will kick on the air conditioning. So you use that by pressing the lock button twice and then pressing and holding the auto start. Hybrid, it's a little quiet. Another feature that you have, full hands, you want to utilize the power tailgate. With the key fob within 4 to 5 feet, you can still come around, hands full, and open the tailgate with your foot, just like that. Coming around back to the front, when you lock and unlock your car, you can lock it with one touch, and you can unlock it with one touch like that. And then in the next segment, I'm going to show you how to personalize those settings.